Good old Pemberton fish finder, baby. Didn't take us long. That was about my 5th cast.
Wow.
I tied up a few marabou jigs. Here, let's not keep walking up because I want to bring them in and let them go. Little chartreuse marabou jig on my Spey rod. Lethal combination today.
Wow.
That didn't take long, did it?
5 minutes.
He's feisty. Little doe.
Beautiful.
Perfect hook set right in the beak, eh? Can't complain about that. Oh, beautiful. Little barbless hooks. Fall right out of them. There it is. Steelhead, Fraser River, baby. Pemberton fish finder.
See him.
You want to have a quick look?
Oh, nice.
Beautiful chromer. Nice little pinstripe on him. Let's get him going.
And a happy fisherman.
Alright, man, back at her. That was just the beginning of the day.
Nice.
But out here on the Fraser River, and I got myself an absolute monster. I don't even know what it is. It's fighting more like a Chinook, this one. You guys see that big reel screaming session there? We just missed it with the camera. But this here is a big fish. Tied up a few fish finder specials last night. I was sitting at my desk at work, and they've been hammering them today. How long have we been here? About an hour?
Yeah.
2nd fish. Been pretty good. Working a chartreuse pattern today, and I bought a UV body on it, UV chenille. I'll show you guys a little later, maybe Friday night. But this thing is an absolute beast.
Whoa. Whoa.
Can you see that thing? Holy hell, it's going to the other side again. Oh man, that first fish wasn't enough. This one's playing me out pretty good.
It's over 20.
Yeah, it's big. I saw that fish hit. It hit it and went straight out of the water. And I'm like, ooh, that's a big fish. Oh my God, he's going again. Look at that line just cutting the water, eh? Couldn't ask for a better day today. Road here. What do you think it is? Plus 10 or so?
Yeah, it's gotta
Sun
be
shining.
10. Yeah.
That UV pattern is just glowing, right? Oh, yeah, he's big.
Oh, I'm changing colors.
Chartreuse, UV. Kill pattern today. I got another one. I might bury you there, Scotty. What are you running? You running your big Spey rod today?
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll be able to chuck it. Oh yeah, that thing is thick. Oh, don't shake me now, boy. Don't shake me now. You're so close to a picture. That's a big fish.
He's getting tired now.
Yeah. Nice. So am I. I think it's pretty even. I think I'm gonna go on. I think I've got one Bud Light in my truck right now, and I think I'm gonna go drink it after this. Is it noon yet? No.
No, not even close.
Beer 30. Oh my God! I just want to see a picture of this guy. We'll let you go. Come on, baby. Little barbless hooks get a little tricky when they get close. Oh, and he's got it in the corner of his mouth too. That's done right there. Can you see him good?
Yeah, well, I can see him.
Baby. Okay, let's back out a little bit. You're not doing it too big yet. A big fish. Oof. That is one big steely. I'm gonna pass the rod up there. Let's see. Bring the tip up. Don't get too heavy on him though, because it's got a thin wire hook, eh? Okay, circle this way, I'll grab the line. Okay. Don't get in the line there, bud. Come on, big fella, I'm only gonna let you go. Okay, I know, you're a beautiful beast. I'm only gonna let you go. Be nice. Alright, hold on, don't move. Just stay put. I wanna grab him, I'm gonna tail him. Now that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, baby! Grab that hook out of his mouth and we're gonna let him go. Nice barbless hook just fell out, eh? Buddy, right there. You're a beautiful fish. Dude, that was a beast! Absolute beast. That's how it's done with Pemberton Fish Finder today. What do we got? It's March 26, 2013. We're on the Fraser River and we're loving every bit of it. Alright, back to fishing. Hopefully we get a few more today. Okay, today we're fishing the Fraser River in Little British Columbia. We're fishing the Spey. I've got myself a Ross Reach, or Ross Worldwide. They always call them Rosses anyhow. But they're beautiful rods. They're inexpensive. I think they retail around $400 or $500. I can't remember what I paid for it, but it's a 9-foot or a 9-weight, 14-foot. I've got Scientific Angler Extreme Skagit. It's a change-a-tip or a multi-tip. It's got 4 tips. And today the fly that I've been using is something that I tied up at home. I just took an old 1/8 jig head, put a UV. This one's 2 fish in, so it's looking pretty tattered. But it's pretty simple. Chartreuse, and chartreuse UV. Everything's chartreuse today with a little bit of red thread. But this pattern has been very lethal for me in the past. You need a fairly big rod to cast it because it's not the easiest thing to cast. But anyhow, today it's paying off and we're doing really well. So I'm going to carry on fishing. I'm actually going to have a celebration beer after that beautiful fish with Bud Light. I don't drink lots, but when I do, it's Bud Light. Anyhow, Pemberton Fish Finder at you. We're going to back to fishing here. Scotty? Here we go, Marco. Got that rod into another fish, buddy.
No, it's same.
What pattern did you get him on?
Scotty.
Oh, Scott's fly?
Yeah.
What was that, the little bit bastard?
No, I don't know what it is.
What pattern did you give him there?
I didn't check it, but I think it's like black.
Purple?
Yeah,
oh, that's a big one too, eh?
Black blue.
It's a version of the little bit bastard. Oh boy, that's a nice one too. That's a real nice fish. Wow, that's a beauty. Gonna walk in a little shallower. Don't go swimming, buddy. Don't go swimming. Well, here we are. Pemberton Fish Finder. Marco's slaying them today too. Scotty, you had one today, buddy. You had one and you lost it.
I know, that's on my rod with my fly.
Oh, you're kidding me. That's on his rod. You're using Scott's rod. That's awful. Is that the first steelhead on that rod landed?
Yeah.
That's a good way to break it in, buddy. That's a good way to break it in. Let's have a look at this fish. That is a big fish. Here, swing him to the downside. Oh, that is a big fish.
Wow.
That's bigger than your last one from last week or 2 weeks ago. That's a beast. You gonna try and do it all yourself there, bud? You're a machine. I'm gonna just try and get a little shot of this fish. Oh yeah. Whoa, watch out, he's gonna try and school you.
Whoa.
Oh, that is a slab. That's a nice fish. Yeah, I got your rod. Go ahead. Oh, Merrick, that's a beauty. That is a beauty. Tail, take the fly. Oh, your line's right in front of you. Oh man, that is a slab. He's got a little injury on the side. It looks like a animal grabbed him or something, eh? That is a beast.
Wow, it's much bigger.
Merrick, have a look, buddy. Steelhead fishing with the fish finder, buddy. We're on the Fraser River. Let's get that hook. Do you need a hand or are you okay? Oh, he was barely hooked. Barely hooked. It was just barely hooked. Okay, buddy, let's get his head in the water and send him on his way. That's a beauty. Off he goes. Beautiful fish, buddy. Hey! Woo! Fishing. We're steelhead fishing today, Scotty. Hey? It's your turn, buddy. Your turn. Marco, we got there. That there is a version of the little bit bastard. That pattern there belongs to my good friend Scotty Holmes. Scotty Holmes. You make good flies, buddy. Now let's see you get one on one of them flies. Hey?
Fly for me.
Hey, Marco. Hey, that's good stuff. Okay, we're gonna get
Thank
back
you.
to fishing.